Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Incredible Insight.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to make your handwriting neat and legible. Let's get into the video. Buy a 4 lines notebook. Write a page daily. Compare your handwriting with previous page handwriting every day. Make the necessary corrections every day. You can definitely see the changes in your handwriting. Make sure you follow the exact posture of holding your pen. Note the position of the paper whenever you start writing. Make use of good qualified pens. Note the grip of your fingers and hands with your pen. It should not be very tight or very loose. Never make use of ballpoint pens whenever you practice on your handwriting notebooks or school notes. Each pen has a different quality and presents your handwriting in a different way. Choose a pen which is comfortable for you and presents your handwriting well. It gives an impression to examiner about your quality of presentation. In a word, handwriting determines what sort of person you are. Handwriting should not be evaluated from an exam point of view. Most of us take our handwriting for granted. Handwriting makes examiners' correction easy by just one glance. Handwriting makes your answer very neat and tidy. When you change your body position, automatically your handwriting position also changes. I hope this video helps you to improve your handwriting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.